More than a decade of civil war has left Syria fragmented and in ruins. But one thing has managed to cross every front line: Captagon. The amphetamine drug has spawned an illegal industry worth $10 billion. An AFP investigation has found that the Captagon industry not only props up the regime of President Bashar al-Assad, but many of his enemies too. Once notoriously associated with Islamic State fighters, Captagon has transformed Syria into a narco-state. It also has deep roots in neighbouring Lebanon, where experts say the Iran-backed Hezbollah group helps protect the trade along the Lebanese border.
هيدا مش من باب بس التطمين، هيدا من باب منع الشر عن أشقائنا العرب وواجباتنا.
Captagon is an amphetamine derived from a once legal treatment for narcolepsy and attention disorder. Several traffickers interviewed by AFP describe the trade as extremely lucrative.
هون بيجي هيدا الستامب اللي بيكبس، هون بتقطع تصير الحبة، هون بتنزل لتحت.
Manufacturing the pills is easy and very cheap.
بيشتغلوا مع كمية كبيرة، مثلا 100 صندوق. ال 100 صندوق يعملوا $180 مليون.
Low quality adulterated pills go for as little as $1. But premium tablets sold in wealthy circles sell for significantly more, sometimes for $25 apiece. These images show Saudi officers during a raid, arresting traffickers who are transporting around 28,000 Captagon tablets.
السعودي أول شيء، يعني كانت تطلع من هون لدبي، كانت تطلع من سوريا على الأردن لسعودية، من سوريا لدبي لسعودية، من إفريقيا لسعودية، آخر شيء سعودية. كتير مرغوبة فوق.
But the drug's hold extends far beyond the kingdom's wealthy elite. Cheap, discreet and less taboo than alcohol, many poorer Saudis and migrant workers also use the drug. Before reaching the Gulf state, the drug begins its journey in the lawless lands between Syria and Lebanon.
حتى نحن البضاعة وقت اللي بدنا ننقلهم موضوع الإخباريات ننقلهم من شاحنة لشاحنة كرمال الأمان، حتى لو مرفقينهم نحن، بس ما بتعرف شو ممكن يصير.
This trafficker operates in a rebel-held area in northern Syria. The Captagon trade spans several countries, and many key players have tribal ties.
ولا حدا بيتبنيها لحاله. قد بتسمع بأسامي كبيرة بيكونوا 4 شراكة أو 5 شراكة فيها.
In interviews with AFP, one name keeps coming up: the president's much-feared brother, Maher al-Assad. He is the de facto head of Syria's elite unit, the 4th Division.
وجماعة الرابعة بيحطوه بصناديق ونحن بيوصلنا مثل ما هو، بنوصل لوجهه مثل ما هو، ما بنغير فيه شيء. بنظبط الوضع مع فصائل شباب الشام وحماس بيستلموا مستودعات الفرقة الرابعة، مظبطين الوضع يعني معهم، يعني مثل ما بقول المثل طعم التمر بتستحي العين.
Captagon has forged unlikely alliances, even in the north, where the last pockets of rebel and jihadist groups are holding out against Assad. The Syrian Interior Ministry has denied any government involvement in the drug trafficking trade and denounced a campaign of media attacks. Syria is the source of 80% of the world's supply of Captagon. The trade is worth at least 3 times its entire national budget. Captagon trafficking benefits many across Syria and Lebanon, from regime officials and millionaire businessmen at the top of the chain, down to the villagers and refugees employed to cook and conceal the drugs. Both dealers and people tracking them believe the Captagon era has only just begun.
ما بيخلص، ما بيوقف، أجيال، ما بيخلص.
More than 400 million pills were seized in the Middle East and beyond in 2021, according to official figures, with seizures in 2022 set to top that.